Hello class 10 students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. I am Dr. Nidhi Chadda. I am a bio expert with 12 years of experience. I started my YouTube channel in 2021 with class 12, but it has content now for class 9 and I am just starting with class 10 also. Sooner I will be uploading videos for class 11 students too. So if you have anyone in your circle, you can certainly suggest my channel. So let's proceed further with chapter number 6, that's life processes. Life processes is one of the important chapters of biology for class 10 students. This is one chapter which is the lengthiest one. So in this video we will talk about what are the things that we have to study in the complete chapter. Okay, so the name of the chapter is life processes. Life processes means the process that is happening in us, and it is very much required for our sustainability, for we being alive. Okay, so all the processes that are occurring in our body and they are responsible for making us alive, they will fall in the category of life processes. Okay, now if you say few examples of life processes, then we are having circulation in our body, which is responsible for transporting blood to all the different parts of our body, right? We are doing excretion, because of which we are sending waste products out of the body. We are doing respiration, which helps in transporting oxygen to the body. We are doing digestion, that is helping us to convert the bigger molecules into the smaller ones, right? So in this chapter we will be studying about different organ systems, the organs that are there to form that organ system, and what are the functions. So circulation is done by an organ system which is known as circulatory system. Remember how to find out whether this is an example of organ system or not. You can see here the suffix at the end, there is a word called system. This system is giving you an idea that we are talking about an organ system, right? So circulation is a function that is performed by an organ system which is known as circulatory system. Similarly, the function excretion is being done by an organ system which is known as excretory system. Respiration is a function that is being done by respiratory system. See, in each word I am ending in system, that means I am talking about an organ system. Digestion is a function which is done by digestive system, right? So in this chapter we are going to study about circulatory system, excretory system, respiratory system, and digestive system. Now we should also know one thing, that how these organ systems are being made. In grade 9 we already studied that cell is the structural and functional unit of life, and all the cells that are similar in structure and function, they assemble together to form the tissue. That tissue assembles together to form organ or a group of organs, and collection of organs makes an organ system. An organ system collection makes an organism. Now who can come in the category of organism? We human beings can come in the category of organisms, right? Now let's talk about one of the organ system. Let's start with digestive system, because this is the first system that is being given in the NCERT, right? So digestive system, the suffix is there system, so we will correlate that it is talking about organ system. Now digestive system would be made up of combination of organs, and this includes our stomach, even mouth, small intestine, large intestine. So small intestine, large intestine, they are all the examples of the organs, right? And these organs collectively, they assemble together, and what are they forming? They are forming digestive system, right? Now these organs will be made up of specific tissue which will be peculiar, which will be unique in its identity, right? Now this tissue will be known as digestive tissue. So digestive tissue will be present in the organs like mouth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. And this digestive tissue will be made up of special types of cell which will be known as digestive cells. So this concept map on the screen is giving you an idea that cells unite together to form the tissue. Tissue unite together to form a single organ, or it could be multiple. Organs collect together to form an organ system. And circulatory system will be made up of specific organs. Respiratory system will be made up of specific organs, and so on and so forth about other organ systems as well. So in this chapter, we are going to study the organs that are there in each organ system, the functions of it. Okay. I hope you have liked the introduction to chapter number 6, life processes. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with as much friends as possible, because each will be benefited. Complete videos of the chapter will come each day. And at the end of each video, I will be asking a question. You need to write the answer to that question in the comments section, right? You need to give any 2 examples, of the organ system other than spoken in the video. So you need to give the examples of any 2 organ systems whose names were not taken in the video. The students who will be giving or who will be participating in such type of questionnaires, either by attempting right or by attempting wrong, their names will be taken in the upcoming video. A shout out of those students will definitely be done. So stay tuned and do consider subscribing and pressing the bell button so that each time when I upload the video, you will get a notification. See you in next video. Thank you.